Hey everyone, Joe back with Gorilla Joe's Barbecue, and today the question is to inject or not to inject. And I'm talking about your pork butts. I have to smoke up 2 pork butts for a family get-together, and I figured we might as well try the old injecting one and not injecting the other to see how they turn out. The seasonings will be the same, the smoke time will be the same. The only thing that's different is one will be injected with an apple juice and Worcestershire sauce mixture, and we'll see how they turn out. So stick around. Let's check it out. All right, starting off, I'm just gonna get these pork butts opened up. Just gonna get some of these juices taken off of it. Looks like they both have a decent fat cap, a little low here, but I am gonna score that just to see how it turns out.
Hey everyone, just a quick reminder, if you're liking these videos, make sure you show it by hitting that like button, subscribing to the channel, and hitting that bell to let you know whenever I upload new content. I'll be having a 500 subscriber giveaway coming up, so you don't want to miss it. Thanks.
Alright, I'm going to start with injecting. There's this nice injector that has this long tube you can put in. A little pro tip, it likes to fall out of cups, so I use a shaker bottle. Drop it right in there. So when you inject, you want to put it in and kind of move it around to open up that area. Just kind of squeeze her on in. Alright, now that one's all injected, I am going to pour some of the Worcestershire sauce on the second one as just act as a binder so they're about the same. For our seasoning today, we're going with the Hardcore Carnivore Red. Pan, so when I'm done seasoning it, drop it on there and hit that side again. These are bone in. I think you get the most flavor out of those. Haven't missed any sides. I'm gonna put these fat caps up because I did score them, so I want to see how those turn out. And these are ready for the smoker. Smoker set up at 250. I got pecan wood on, and we'll leave those till it's time to wrap. Look at those. Awesome bark going on. This is the one that was injected. Looks like a lot more juices throughout here. They're just getting around 160, so I pulled them off so I could wrap them. I do wrap my butts in foil, unlike my briskets, and I do double wrap those as well. So look at that. Awesome. And the final thing I do, I always put my pork butts in these little pans for the final cook. So when I get done and unwrap them, I want to be able to save all the juices. And so if you have it in these pans when you unwrap, all the juices will be in there. Alright you guys, I pulled these off about 30 minutes ago. I have them sitting here resting, and we're gonna get them pulled apart. This one is the injected side. Get all that juice got. And for the injected side, the old bone pull out clean. pulls right apart. Look at that. Man. All right. As I was pulling that off, just pieces falling right out. And I know, simple as that. Now you can see how much juice is in this one compared to this one. And it's gonna come down to flavor, but man, just look at that, just right apart. I am gonna make a sandwich to try with these, but you can't cook pulled pork all day. It is now midnight. Always gotta start your barbecue earlier than you think. Just gonna try a bite. This is the non-injected side. Not much that beats a good pulled pork. I'm gonna get this all shredded up. Alright guys, I couldn't wait any longer. It is time to make us a sandwich. Start with a brioche bun. Good helping of the pulled pork. Some Uncle Steve's, the sauce with no name. If you haven't tried this yet, you got to. I don't have any coleslaw, but I am gonna throw some pickles on there. The only thing that's left to complement that nothing's fancier than eating a pulled pork sandwich at midnight and having a pale ale. Alright, the only thing left is to try this big old sandwich in the face. There we go. The thing I love about pulled pork is it's easy. You really don't have to do much. You put it out there, you smoke it, you wrap it, you're done. This is fantastic. Sauce with no name from Uncle Steve's, awesome. You gotta try that. Boulevard Brewing Company is always good. Well, I gotta get to shredding the rest of this. Like I said, it's midnight. You always want to start your cooks earlier than you think and get them done. One down, one to go. For injecting or not injecting, honestly, both turned out great. The non-injecting one got done faster than the injecting one. So I may be done injecting my pulled pork because that's fantastic. Plenty of juice. I have a whole container full of juice that I poured out so I can shred it, and I'll add some in as I need it. But I really don't think you need to inject. I'm gonna finish eating this and get back to shredding. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.